Hello, fabulous first grade. It's Wednesday, October the 14th, and we are going to continue working on adding. We first started with adding with pictures and counting on. Yesterday, we did adding with our fingers counting on, and today we're going to show addition using a number line. So we are still working on that standard OA6, which is adding within 20, and today is Wednesday, October the 14th. Our I can statement is below, so give me your big Superman pose, take a deep breath, and repeat after me. I can show addition by using a number line to count on. All right, so touch your nose if you've ever seen a number line before. This is a number line, and it is a line with numbers. And when you get in higher grades, your number line might go to 100, or you might actually go backwards and get in negative numbers. But our number line for this week is going to go from 0 to 20, and we're going to use it to help us add. So yesterday, we circled the bigger number, put it in our head, and then counted on with our fingers. Today, our first step is still to find that biggest number. When we look at this equation, 10 plus 6, what is the larger number? 10. Very good job. I'm still going to circle that, and then I'm actually going to find 10 on the number line and make a little line. Then I have to count on 6. So instead of using my finger day to count on 6, I'm going to use my pen and I'm going to jump 6 times. So starting at 10, we're going to jump 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now where did I land? I landed at 16. That is going to be my answer. Now, if you want to make sure that you're correct, you can use another strategy, like putting 10 in your head and counting on 6 with your fingers to be sure that you are correct. Let's go to the next one and practice. This one says 11 plus 13. Take your pointer finger and circle the larger number on your screen. I hope you circled 11 because 11 is larger than 3. Now, when I circle it, I don't put it in my head. I put it on the number line. So circle 11 and then put a line at 11 on the number line. Now, how many am I counting on this time? 3. So I need 3 hops starting at this line. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. And what number did I land on? 14. That is going to be my answer, 14. Now let's go ahead and check this. Without the number line, if I was going to add this, I would put 11 in my head and add on 3. So put 11 in your head, hold up 3 fingers, and then count on 11, 12, 13, 14. Did we get the same answer? Yes, we did. Very good job. Let's try the next one. All right, 4 plus 13. First step, find the largest number. Circle the largest number for me on your screen. Hopefully you circled this 13. After I find my largest number, remember, I mark it on the number line. There we go. How many jumps am I going to do? What am I adding on? I'm adding on 4. So I'm going to start where I marked and jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And where did I land? 17. Very good job. Now, last week we talked about the commutative property and how order doesn't matter. So I'm going to show you that we can add these out of order and not circle the bigger number, but that it's easier to do that. So on the top number line, we started at 13 and we jumped 4 times. Let's see what it's like if I start at 4 and jump 13 times. So starting at 4, adding on 13 jumps. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Where did I land? 17 again. But was it easier to do this number line and only jump 4 times, or this number line and jump 13 times? I think it was easier to do it this way. The less jumps you have to make, the easier it's going to be for you. So that's why we always look for the biggest number and start there first. Let's practice again. 5 plus 13. Circle the bigger number because that's what we're going to start with. Hopefully you circled 13. What do I do now? If you said mark 13 on the number line, good job. Starting there, we're going to jump 5 times because we're adding on 5. Ready, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number is that, boys and girls? That is 18. A 1 and an 8 is 18. Very good job. Next one. 8 plus 5. Circle the larger number. Hopefully you circled 8. Now, what do? I mark it on the number line. Then I have to jump how many times, boys and girls? 5 times because that's what I'm adding on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I land on? 13. A 1 and a 3. Good job. Let's try this one. 2 plus 16. What's the larger number? 16 for sure. That's a teen number. What do I do now? I mark it on the, I mark it on the number line. And how many jumps do I need? 2, because that's what I'm adding on. Count with me. 1, 2. Where did I land? 18. Very good. All right, thank you for learning how to add using a number line. Make sure you follow your number steps for today and complete your assignments. See you tomorrow.